Question 83. Are all transgressions of the law equally heinous? Answer. Some sins in themselves, and by reason of several aggravations, are more heinous in the sight of God than others. The Bible verses referenced for this answer are Ezekiel chapter 8, verses 6, 13, and 15. Verse 6. He said furthermore unto me, Son of man, seest thou what they do? Even the great abominations that the house of Israel committeth here, that I should go far off from my sanctuary? But turn thee yet again, and thou shalt see greater abominations. He said also unto me, Turn thee yet again, and thou shalt see greater abominations that they do. Then said he unto me, Hast thou seen this, O Son of man? Turn thee yet again, and thou shalt see greater abominations than these. Matthew chapter 11, verses 20 to 24. Then began he to upbraid the cities wherein most of his mighty works were done, because they repented not. Woe unto thee, Chorazin! Woe unto thee, Bethsaida! For if the mighty works which were done in you had been done in Tyre and Sidon, they would have repented long ago in sackcloth and ashes. But I say unto you, it shall be more tolerable for Tyre and Sidon at the day of judgment than for you. And thou, Capernaum, which art exalted unto heaven, shalt be brought down to hell. For if the mighty works which had been done in thee had been done in Sodom, it would have remained until this day. But I say unto you, that it shall be more tolerable for the land of Sodom in the day of judgment than for thee. John chapter 19, verse 11. Jesus answered, Thou couldst have no power at all against me, except it were given thee from above. Therefore he that delivered me unto thee hath the greater sin.